Hi, I'm Dr. James Meschino. I want to talk to you about the natural management of menopause. As you know, menopause is an inevitable part of a woman's life once she's in her late 40s or early 50s. And there's usually 5 to 7 years where you can have some very uncomfortable symptoms: hot flashes, night sweats, insomnia, personality changes, skin and hair changes, changes in energy, possibly libido. And so, medical treatment in recent years has used hormone replacement therapy, which we thought was a good idea, but it turns out that traditional hormone replacement therapy is actually quite risky from a standpoint of increasing risk of breast cancer, heart attack, and stroke. Some doctors now use bioidentical hormones. I think that it's new. I don't think that you have a long enough track record of safety. There's some cause for concern. Anytime you use estrogen, you might be causing cells to divide too quickly, which can lead to an increased risk of cancer. And so some evidence along that line does exist. I really believe the best approach is to use natural interventions to manage the symptoms and also slow the aging process in women. When you use natural agents that I'm going to talk to you about, it doesn't increase risk of breast cancer, heart attack, or stroke. That's really the good news. But you have to know what you're doing, because some natural supplements that help to manage menopause are actually extremely risky. They can cause internal bleeding disorders or raise your blood pressure. So everything that's natural is not necessarily safe. So I've explained all of this in an ebook that I have called The Natural Management of Menopause, which you should download right now, because you can get it right here. It's free. It has all the scientific references in it. From clinical experience, I can tell you that 80% of women can manage menopausal symptoms by just simply using the right natural interventions to relieve the symptoms and to maintain well-being into the postmenopausal years. So you need to read it, because most medical doctors haven't really studied a lot of nutrition and natural medicine. This is not something they see in medical school, so it's not likely that you're going to get this kind of information from your doctor, but you do deserve to know that there are natural interventions that can be really useful. So I suggest that you download it right now. The ebook is called The Natural Management of Menopause. I think every woman should read it. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you put the strategies to work for yourself, and that you see the improvement in symptoms and well-being that's available by using these natural interventions. Thanks so much for watching.